Here we go. Welcome back to CoinAce, guys. I have something very special for you guys. Right off the playbook was developed way back to help us navigate the market right here, especially with the crypto market and what's been doing lately. This very special indicator called and was posted again on on TradingView called CoinAce SmoothWave. Because that's actually what it do, and right here in this video I'm gonna explain and show you how does it work and what does it do and how crazy and amazing is that. And that helps me a lot actually to navigate the market. We have Bitcoin right here, 1 hour time frame, the latest price right here, you can see above 90k. And now I'm gonna show you exactly how does the indicator work. So you can see right here the price going down, and the indicator also here you can see the cross, the white line crossed below the 50, below the 0 actually. And right here it crossed down, it started to build this bearish candles right here with strong color. So we are waiting right here because we wanted to cross bullish, because the market is basically bullish. Where the cross happened, let's start and get ourselves ready. We can see on the line right here started to cross up, build the first green candle, and then the cross happened right here. Green candle, cross happened, bam, that will be it, just like that. We fix that a little bit. We move that here. We say, hey, I don't want it to go below this line. That's going to be my stop loss. That's going to be my run. And then bam. Let's see another one. Let's see more about this. So the price is going up. Indicator is saying, oh, not yet, not yet. It's going down. Waiting for the cross, waiting for the cross. First green candle, cross is happening. Let's get it set up. Long position, and let me see, green candle, cross happening right here. And we move the stop loss. I don't want to get it below this line. Fix it up a little bit, and then we say a little bit up right here. That's your second 8%. First one 6%. Second one 8%. Let's keep going and see how crazy is this massive indicator that we developed way back, and we reposted it recently because the market is back. So let's get ready. Where's the position? Right here. Watching the market's moving sideways, but right here we have a low cross, so it's going down, cashing this liquidity up, waiting for the cross. First green candle, it's crossing right here. Right here, bam. Fix it up a little bit. Say, hey, I don't want to get it below this wick right here, all the way up. Now we have 6%. Whoop. Now I want to move that. Let's say one more. Keep going and see with this massive one right here. Let's check. It's very precise, but of course it's always up to you to backtest, and really work with it and see which time frame actually is the best for it. So we can see right here, price is moving sideways. It's crossing down. Bearish candle started to build up sideways, confusing, working it up. Bearish candles hitting right here on the low, like back testing the 0, of course, right here. And then you say, okay, first green candle, which is this one, bam, that's it. Keep going, fix it up a little bit, say, I don't want it to go below this line right here. And you just say, fix it up, how much? 10% right here. So what about the bearish momentum? What about like the price is going up and gonna start to reverse? Well, what does the chart do? How do we work with it? Well, let's see and test as we keep going. So the price was going up, made a massive high right here, and now I'm thinking about shorting the market. So I get ready, short position, and I watch. You can see here it's moving sideways. And when did the cross happen? Bearish momentum, waiting for it. Price still moving sideways, a little bit up. Looks like a fake out right here. And then watching the market and watching the indicator, the cross right here. Bearish candle, it's crossing. Where? Right here. And a little bit back, right here to be very precise. And then I say, well, maybe I take it right here. I don't want to go above this high. And then market's gonna drop. Bam, that's it. Before the market's gonna reverse, let's say like this. And then you can see here, bearish, 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 bearish. Whoop, I have something green. Looks like the market's gonna start to reverse. So I can close it. And then it cross again. And then you have a pump right here. And then you say, well, maybe I can catch it back again. Let's say long position, bearish, bearish. First green candle, the cross is happening, which is right here. Small one, bam, 2.4%. This one, amazing, guys. And not just on Bitcoin. Ethereum also is the same story. It's just like I showed you. And let's make like a few examples right here on Ethereum. Let me see here, the latest price. And let's see right here. Bearish, right? You can see. Right here, start become bearish. Now I'm waiting for the cross. Right here, bearish, waiting for the cross. First green candle, the cross is happening. Okay, then let's go. Let me check to be exact. Right here, bam, on Ethereum. 6%. Move this one right here. I don't want to go below this one. And then perfect hit. This indicator always perfect where the wave is gonna start to flip, and you can see every entry, there's no back revisiting because it gives you the last candle that the wave is about to change. I mean, you always see we're not entering here, always entering in the last wave before, because this one detect the invisible wave that's happening in the chart. Let's hit one more because I know you guys love gold. So we have gold right here. On gold, you have to back test everything and say this indicator and which one is it working the best with it. That's what you gotta do. Like, where is it? We're gonna talk about that a little bit. You can see right here, price is going down, down, down. First green candle, the cross is happening, and then we hit the position right here. Let me check. First green candle, the cross, bam. This one is a small one. You can see right here 1.18%. That's actually not small at all. And then you say, hey, a stop loss will go here to the lowest. Perfect trade. Always the same here as the bearish one. You can see price is moving sideways. We have some green candles. The cross to the bearish side is about to happen. Let's see where it's gonna work out. And wait, let me fix the price a little bit up. Bearish right here, cross happen here, right here. Up, that's it. First green candle here, I mean bearish candle, and then you say, hey, the high here to the middle, and then we have another 1.6% right to the dot. Back testing. This indicator actually could do you nothing, could bring you zero amount of money, zero, if you did not back test it, if you did not perfect it, if you did not understand every single one of it. And you can see right here, which was on the highest high on gold, getting too high. I'm getting ready to short the market. You can see a little bit of green candles getting weaker than here. Then you understand the volume's going down. The cross is happening right here. Where? Let me see. Here. It crossed. Bam. And then, woof. That's it. It's detecting the wave of it. But like I said, guys, it's up to you. Actually, it's up to you how to perfect it. You can see on Bitcoin here 1 2 3 4 5 6 right away, right off the bat, just from this indicator. You could actually make zero money of this if you did not back test. You have to back test, you have to understand it, You have to try different time frame, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. You have to try different assets: BTC, ETH, Bitcoin Cash, ADA, GRT, some meme coins, silver, gold, stock market, S&P 500. It works on everything, but you have to be back testing. This is not a financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor, and this indicator could get you nothing. I back tested myself. The win rate on it is very high, but it depends on the person who is using the tool. Back testing, back testing, back testing. No promises right here. It's all up to you. I just showed you on the chart what I can do with it, and it's up to you what you can do with it. To talk a little bit about right here, the green candles indicating a really massive jumps, and the white ones mean the shift is happening. Same here as below. You have the really strong color and the weaker color. It means the shift is happening. But guys, amazing. It is amazing. A very important tool, especially in this market. It's a smooth wave. It can, so you can understand the wave that's happening in the market. Not a financial advice. And let's go. What's CoinAce, guys, right here. Link will be below in the comments.